Okay, I'm down in the crawl space, and I noticed I could smell it getting a little funky or something in the house, which usually tells it's getting a little musky. And I came down and checked my it's Aprilaire unit dehumidifier. As you can see, it's really dark out here. It was off. It had a coat on it, like E2 or something like that. I cleaned the filters up, but I'm guessing it said it got filters too dirty, so it had shut off. I usually have set about 52% humidity, got all the way up to 76. I unplugged it to reset it, wouldn't reset. And it's been running for about 10 minutes now. And I don't know if you can see the water running, trickling through there. You can see it trickling right through there now. It took about 10 minutes for it to trickle. Clean the filter really good. All you gotta do is wash it out, dry it really good, get it dry, get it back in there running. Otherwise, the Aprilaire, sometimes I think I should probably get one of the sensors. I think you can buy a sensor to upstairs, because I had no idea it shut off. My first time was that smell. I could just smell, because I got, like I said, obviously, it is what it is. I don't hang out down here. So anyway, it says clean and replace yearly, but I clean it more often than that. And you do have one, go check on it every once in a while, make sure it's running properly, make sure everything's working, make sure the pump is still pumping, and there's codes. You know, I know you can switch this. I should have switched this before, where this is down here, but I didn't. Let's see if we can get up there and look what it says. Probably read that or not. Let's see if I can get my head up there too. It's not 72. So it's pretty high, but still all working just fine. I don't know when I've had this for a couple good 2-3 years now, and I can see the water trickling in pretty steady now. It's a steady run. I have this run into an outside line to drain it outside, and of course, I don't know if you know, these automatically kick on and off as just a little pump, and it pumps it out of the house. Obviously it's getting a little grungy, probably old. I did clean this out once. Take the caps off, put a little took it completely off, cleaned it all out, because it does get musky in there. I don't know if I used bleach or what I used to clean it out with. I think it was some kind of deep mold, removed the mold, cleaned it all, and then ran the water, poured that and ran it through here too. And you can see I probably need to do it again. I'll just photo some cleaner and let it run through there a couple times. Nothing harsh, because you don't want to damage your pump. And if it gets too bad, that line's probably $10 to replace. But I'm just basically make sure it runs. It's been running for 10 or 15 minutes now. Got a good steady. I don't remember which size this one is. Aprilaire model. Oh, there you go. 1850. I could probably honestly use 2 of these down here, because I got a huge crawl space. I can't remember how many gallons per hour or liters it runs. It's quite a bit once it's running full blast. So by this time tomorrow, it should be pretty much back down to where it needs to be. And this, by far, is the best unit to buy. I actually bought one of these and put my parents' house, and they had a really wet crawl space, not a basement, not a basement in the old house, and this is the, if you don't know, there's that Overtech. Let's see, move the cord out of the way. That's the unit I have there. And you look at that one there. Oh, there's the year 2018. So it's probably about that new too. So 2018, it's been a while. It might not have been brand new when I got this, but 2018. Oh, that one shows the date on it. It might show a date on it too. I can go back and read my videos when I installed it. So there it is, running solid, pumping water. But if you do have a wet basement or damp or crawl space, works great with us. One, it doesn't. Mold and bugs don't like a low humidity. So this place used to be, when I first moved here, it was spidery, bugs, a bunch of trash was down in my crawl space. You know, the old repairs of the year, they just left everything down. It was like a dumping ground. So cleaned all that out. I do plan to pour more of the insulation out. That's no good, because it's basically, if you can look at it, it doesn't serve no purpose. It's useless. It's old. This house was built in the 60s. And I've slowly taken some of it out. I need to take a lot more of it out, but that's a big task. So anyway, there you go, the old Aprilaire running away. Keep an eye on it. I know you can buy a monitor for upstairs, which I might go ahead and just invest in that now and get that done. And make sure it works. I don't know if they're remote or they're wired. I'm going to look it up in Aprilaire model 1850. All right. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good day. Bye.